Did you know there's 18 manufacturing companies in Ridgway and 100 in Elk County?
About $513 million of wages are paid out each year in Elk County. $300 million of that goes toward manufacturing jobs.
By the year 2022, when our 8th grade class graduates, manufacturing will need about 2,500 new employees and about 8,000 by 2040.
So what is so cool about manufacturing? We're going to check out a manufacturing business right here in Ridgway to find out more.
We're here at Savers Precious Metals and we're going to learn what's so cool about manufacturing. Glasses on, and let's go.
Step by step, the part has to be formed. The powder is compressed or compacted into its finished shape, and that's the first step. The compact is then sintered, and every part has to be formed and then sintered. It's a two-step process. After the sintering, there are subsequent operations that are either required or added due to customer application. But everything has to be molded and sintered, and from there we can do subsequent operations, or it can be ready to ship at that point.
This is our benchmark. We want, here's acceptable, fair, better, best.
Satisfaction, seeing something being made.
And I just like being able to start with powder form over there and come right to a finished product.
Manufacturing is one of the leading industries in the area, and the pay is competitive. And with some basic math skills, you can climb up the ladder pretty quickly.
The tooling components that you were shown in the lab are taken by the die setter out into a press.
We want to thank Mr. Elliott for showing us what's so cool about manufacturing.